EPSCO India is synonymous with sustainability, quality, and management of health and safety. In our pursuit to offer the best services, EPSCO is ISO 9001, 14001 and 45001 certified. This certification is a confirmation that our key personnel are trained and possess the skills to carry out the project in a professional manner, adhering to the international standards. We are committed to our customers to offer them the best practices to the highest of standards. Our aim is to provide environmental friendly services as we owe this to our future generations.